Hey, J-Bros popping in here. Got a super fun one for you today. Over to a buddy's house. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove these two windows, and we're gonna end up, because this is the dining room here, remove these two windows here and put in a patio door. What's cool about this project that I'm super fortunate with where I'm working right now is I'm working at a buddy's house, and there's nothing better than working for an amazing person, because there's like zero stress. It's so peaceful. Got the game on in the background. But yeah, we're on the same page. We're gonna blast this out. This is probably about a 4-hour project is what we're hoping for. Now that's not to trim it all out and stuff like that, but I'm gonna show you what the outside looks like and what I'm doing. But basically right now is we're just cutting this and removing the windows, but I'll show you the outside. So basically what we got here on the outside is we drilled pilot screws from the inside to the outside. So we got steel siding here. So there's a pilot hole down here and then a pilot hole up there. I'm going to snap a chalk line from there down, and then from that hole over to this pilot hole, and then we're coming off of this edge, so I only need to cut the siding from here to here. And this is metal siding, so we're going to have to save some of this to patch in the top up there. But going back to it, what's so nice about this, it's not a difficult project, especially when you know what you're doing. But like I said, the people that you work for just make it way easier. But I'm gonna go ahead and grind this out, and like I said, in about 4 hours you're gonna see a patio door in here. So all that's done here is, as you can see, grinder, metal cutting blade, it's cut all along there. And just remember, when you're doing this, you're in no rush, so it's better to have a straight, accurate line. And of course, in this case, you want ear protection and safety glasses. I've seen people in the past lose eyeballs to grinding shaving, so be on the safe side. But yeah, so here we got rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna peel off this siding and get back to her. Yeah, so look at right there, we've got that cut open, and you'll see how clean we've got it on the outside here. Right there, big hole in a house, but that's basically where a patio door goes to. So let's just say all in right now, from when we showed up to whatnot, about 30 minutes in. So that's good planning. So we'll get on to the next step, but yeah, perfect. Okay, really on to the most time consuming thing is right up here. They've got 2 by 12 header up here, and what needs to happen is I got to remove this header out, and I got to expand it over to here. So I'm cutting in here, gonna remove that header there and re-header it up. Just got to expand it 3 inches, unfortunately, but sometimes that's just what you got to do. But other than that, probably about a half hour should have that taken care of and whatnot. And I'll just re-show you out here. We got a pretty good game plan on how we're gonna make it happen. So plywood down on the bottom, we'll tape flash that with we'll have steel down there with a drip, and then tape flash it, and then drop the window in. Should be sealed up and create a nice little water channel in case any water gets behind, which I highly doubt it. But yeah, we'll be rolling here pretty quick. Just wanted to get you up in here close. So basically what we got is we got that 2x4 as the bottom plate, and then there's the header sitting on the jack stud coming over to here. So there's the extension that we needed there, and then I just need to get a jack stud right in there, and we will be golden. So should be pretty darn good. Right here I got some weather tape down there, flashing that out. Then I got some steel metal drip right here for the base. We'll get that sealed up and get basically prepped up for the door once we get the sides and stuff ready to go. But we're almost there. Look at here, just in time. Snow's moving in. We got her flashed up down there. I think that's beautiful. Taped up. Got to get some caulking ready, and we'll drop the door in, and we're going to be looking pretty sweet. I'm going to pop inside, show you how that header stuff went. I thought that went really, really amazing. I mean, if that doesn't look insanely clean, I don't know what does. Super, super pleased. Yep. We obviously got some details that we got to do for trim and stuff like that, but we got a nice gap around there. Just got to do a little bit of finesse there, and then spray foam around there. And this is basically what the inside looks like. And I'll pop you around to the other side. Okay, we got flashing down there. Got to cut some of that stuff back, and then we got to do a little bit of build out and trim up there. But that's pretty much what we're looking at. So that's a big change, and if I have my time right, probably took us about 5 hours to get to this point. So not too bad. There's that trim board going in right there. Seal it up nice. Like I said, get some spray foam down in there. And yeah, just get those shims where they need to be, but fits in there like a glove.